fell still at last, only wind remained to roam. Yet the fire beneath the snow walked with us, returning home. And the scouts will speak of men who in winter's breath of stone showed the world that northern flame lives where courage stands alone.